Hello, welcome to part 11 of this video tutorial series on how to build a fully featured blog website using GatsbyJS. So in the last video we added this section, this card in our sidebar to show details of the author of each post. So each time we go to a post we see the details of that of the post of that author, of the author of that post on the side. So in this video we'll be working on implementing social media share buttons and the DisQus comments plugin. So let's start doing that. And let's stop the development server and let's commit our changes. So get add dot and get commit author details in, oh my goodness, I can't type, details in single post page. Guys, trust me, typing and talking at the same time is so difficult. Okay, but I do it for you guys. It's worth it. Alright, let's add the social media share buttons. So let's go here at the bottom after the card and let's add a header 3 and let's center that, so .text center. And let me make sure I'm recording because I made that mistake last time and I recorded a whole video without actually recording. Okay, why is my tab behaving like this? Anyway, prettier will format that. So this will say share this post and we're gonna have a div, or you could just do dot, I don't know why I typed div, dot text center with a class as well, social share links. And here we're gonna have all our links in an unordered list. Why is my tab behaving like this today? That's weird. Okay, so ul, oops, not li, ul, and then with an ally inside it, and then that's gonna have a link inside it. And this link, this first link will be going to Facebook, but this is gonna be different. So let's do an actual JSX embed variable thing, and let's do string https www.facebook.com/sharer /sharer.php question mark u equals, which, and then now we're gonna do a plus, so we're gonna concatenate something on top, and let's actually let's put our site URL in this, but we're gonna need it again, so let's just put it in a variable. So let's do const base URL equals could be anything. So for this I'm going to do https:// gatsbytutorial.co.uk, and let's add that here. And I think we need to add, of course this is the link to the post, so we need to add the slug, and we can get that, I think, from the page context. So let's get page context. Let's make sure that we're actually passing that. So for each post, we get a slug which we use in the query, but we can use as well here. So we'll get page context, and here we can do page context.slug. So this will actually form the URL of this post. Let's make sure we actually add a slash at the end here. And so this is the Facebook share button, and let's give this a class name of Facebook and a target of underscore blank, so it would open on a new window, and a rel of no opener, no referrer, And yeah, I think that's it. But we're gonna have inside the link, we're gonna have the icon, the font awesome icon. So i.fab.fa-facebook-f, and let's give this a class of fa2x so that it will make it bigger. So this is the Facebook link. Now we need the Twitter link. Let's not copy the whole URL, let's just copy the li. And here the class name would be Twitter, but the link would be actually completely different. So actually, let me remove just this, and then this will be twitter.com slash share question mark URL. So we're passing this URL parameter thing, and the URL will be base URL plus page context.slug, which I actually just deleted. Now I'm writing again, and we need to add another URL parameter. So and text equals, and let's give it the title, so post.title. And now we need as well to give it who's sharing this. This is how Twitter works. We need to give the Twitter handle of who is sharing this this link. And our Twitter handle can be let's just say Twitter handle. So you can put yours here. What do we change? We change as well the icon. So this will be FA Twitter. Now let's do the Google link. So let's copy this li as well. Let's do the Google link, and that would have a class of Google, and we will have plus.google, so plus.google.com. I think it's the same, yeah, slash URL, no, I mean slash share URL, and then we give this URL and slug, and that's all we need for Google, to share in a Google plus post or page. FA Google to get the Google icon, and let's copy this and do the same for Instagram. Wait, no, we're not going to do Instagram, I'm just going to do LinkedIn. Don't think you can share on Instagram. So LinkedIn, and here LinkedIn as well for the icon. And this will be different. This will be www.linkedin.com/share article. And the same thing. So the URL parameter URL, which is going to be base URL plus the slug of our post. And I think this is it for the social media share button. So let's save and let's run Gatsby develop, and let's see what this looks like. Well, there's stylings, by the way. You can check what social share links does. Very simple things, just a margin and just to put the things in an inline flex display in the UL, and there we go. So we have our social media share buttons, and the only difference here is that I could use any plugin for these, but I don't want to inflate the bundle size of our files. We want to keep our files as small as possible for the sake of performance. So this is not going to open in a new window. It's going to open in a new tab. If you click on Twitter, you can see the title and whoever is sharing it, and yeah. So, but for Google it's not going to work because this is not a real link. Yeah, the link is not valid because we're going from localhost instead of going from an actual website. But on an actual website, of course, they would work. So let's add the DisQus plugin, and we can do that before we do that, actually, we need to go to DisQus.com, and then you click get started, and then we click I want to install DisQus on my site. I've already done this. It's going to take you through a simple process where you give it your domain name and then you register your website, and it gives you a short name that we're going to use now to implement the plugin. And we're going to implement it using this library called DisQus React, which is a really handy library that gives us a couple of components that we can use to implement DisQus in our website in a React application. We're going to be mainly using this DisQus.discussion embed. So after you've got your short name, we can come back here. We don't have to stop the development server. I think we could just install npm install. Is it DisQus React or React DisQus? Yeah, DisQus React. So DisQus-React. Let's install that, and let's actually start bringing it in. So import. When I'm gonna import the thing, I'm only gonna import discussion embed. So discussion embed from DisQus React, and we need to pass this a configuration object. So let's actually do that here. So let's get our DisQus short name. So const DisQus short name. This will be different for you. I created one for this tutorial, and it's https://gatsby tutorial-code-uk, and let's do the config object. So const DisQus. Yeah, DisQus config. Config equals. I'm gonna do object literal, and we're gonna have an identifier, and this will be any unique value that you want to be associated with each post. So let's give it the actual ID of the post. So data.markdown remark.id. And it needs a title, so let's just give it the title of the post. So title post.title, and a URL, which is the same that we've been doing so far, base URL plus page context.slug. So let's use this discussion embed. We can copy that, and underneath these social media share buttons, we can put the discussion embed component, and let's pass it. It takes a short name, so short name equals DisQus short name that we just declared, and a config object, which is the DisQus config. So DisQus config, and let's close that, and let's see if you've registered your domain and you got your DisQus short name. This should work for you as well. So if we go, and there we go. So we got our DisQus plugin right here, and it's pretty cool. You can even click on that and you can see. So if you click on, oh, I don't know what happened. This froze. So let's refresh. So if you click on your short name, you can see as well all the other comments that have been submitted to your website linked with this short name, which is pretty cool, and everyone can see that as well. And you get some share buttons here as well. Why not? More share buttons, the more the merrier, I guess. And this plugin, actually, not the plugin, this library has a couple of more cool features, like you can have your comment count and a couple of other cool features. If you want, you can dive deeper into that and implement more features of that. For now, I'm just going to leave it like this. It does the deed, I guess. So yeah, I think we're done for this video. We've implemented both the... It's not just I think, we are done. We are done with this video. So in the next video, we're going to be implementing the tags page, this page right here. We're going to be having all our topics here, all tags, and from there we can browse to those tags and see what posts they have. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.